Hey, welcome to the Draw My Life of the phylum Entoprocta by Giselle, Haley, and Bella. Hope you enjoy!
Hi, my name is Ernatella gracilis and I am the species of the phylum Entoprocta, but for this video I go by Ella. I am one of around 150 different species of my phylum. Today I will be sharing some fun facts about the phylum Entoprocta in my daily life.
The Entoprocta consists of 4 families, one being the Loxosomatidae, which is solitary, then 3 more, which is the Loxocaulipoididae, the Pedicellinidae, and the Barycididae, which all happen to be colonial.
I live in an aquatic environment, and all 150 species of the phylum Entoprocta also must live in aquatic environments in order to survive. The majority of Entoprocta live in coastal marine environments throughout the world. My species, Ernatella gracilis, are found in freshwater rivers on every continent except Antarctica. Entoprocta can be discovered residing on underwater structures, algae, rocks, shells, in depths up to 500 meters down.
One characteristic that composes my basic biology is my bilateral symmetry, my U-shaped gut, or better known as my lophophore ring. Additionally, my body cavity is pseudocoelomic. Pseudocoelomates possess a fluid-filled body cavity and lack a true coelom. My structure is horseshoe-shaped, and I have ciliated tentacles called lophophores around my mouth that pose multiple functions for both my locomotion and feeding. My excretory system is composed of a photonephridia, which is an excretory tube that lacks an internal opening. I also do not have an endocrine system.
My feeding process is unique as I must accommodate my loop digestive system. In order to eat, I must use the ciliated tentacles that surround my mouth to move microscopic plant particles in the water towards me, as I am sessile and I do not move. I also typically reside in areas where currents are able to propel food towards me. I am considered a filter feeder due to this method.
Additionally, my phylum lacks both a circulatory system and gaseous exchange organs. The reason we don't have these organs is because gas exchange occurs by means of diffusion through the skin, and carbon dioxide and oxygen are able to be passed in and out of tissues.
Reproduction amongst Entoprocta is usually accomplished asexually, through asexual clonal reproduction. Both colonial and solitary species are capable of this, and sexual reproduction is possible due to the fact that we are hermaphrodites. This is also possible by budding.
Although there are no definitive studies that depict my life expectancy, I can live for more than 7 months. At this point, I would attach to a substrate and settle.
As shown by both our 16S tree and data matrix tree, Porifera is our outgroup. There are possible homologous structures between Entoprocta and Arthropoda. The current hypothesis that Entoprocta and Arthropoda are closely related is generally accepted based on both morphological and molecular data. Entoprocta and Annelida are most closely related based upon our data matrix tree, but also share similarities between mollusca and Arthropoda due to the fact that they are all bilaterally symmetrical. Based on our findings, our data matrix tree is more accurate because both Entoprocta and Annelida are members of the Trochosa. In terms of our evolutionary history, Entoprocta fossils date back to approximately 520 million years ago, during the Cambrian period. The name Entoprocta was first applied to our organism by the German zoologist Heinrich Nietzsche in 1870. The phylogenetic tree found in our literature from Fuchs et al. 2009 supports our findings that our data matrix tree was the most accurate, because as seen in the tree above, Mollusca is a sister taxa of Entoprocta. Additionally, we can see Bryozoa listed as a separate sister taxa, and we previously found that Entoprocta and Annelida, which are seen closely related in our data matrix tree, are part of the Trochosae, which is related to the Bryozoa.
I may serve no true purpose to humans other than the potential for research and education. A fun fact about me, though, is that I'm called a hairy backworm. The end! Thanks!
We would like to thank the LMU Frank R. Seaver College of Science and Engineering, the Biology Department, our TA Suraj Patel, and our instructor Dr. Hertz.